What's up YouTube, Silver Dragons here, and in this video I'm going to show off my most recent silver purchases. I am a silver stacker, I'm stacking silver, and if you are a silver stacker as well, then stay tuned because I'm going to talk about what I have been buying, but also why I'm buying what I am. So let's do it. Thank you so much for watching my video. I do sincerely appreciate it. If you want to learn more about investing in precious metals, or if you just want to watch awesome videos about gold and silver, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Alright, so let's get into the different types of silver that I have been buying. It is morning. I got my cup of joe here in my Silver Dragons mug. Let me take a quick sip here. Oh, very nice. So we have a few different things. Now, my first Black Friday sales that I purchased were from SD Bullion. There was two things. We got the Philharmonics, and then there was one round that they offered at Spot. I'm not sure where it is. Here it is. It's like the Freedom round or something like that. You know what? Let's just break this out. I'm going to touch it. I'm going to touch all the fields. Who cares? It's just a generic silver round. But we got SD Bullion. Very nice. And we have this eagle. Roll the clip.
That they may take our lives, but they'll never take our freedom!
So yeah, this was purchased at Spot, and I want to say it was around $23, something like that, when I actually picked it up. So a really good deal for 1 ounce of silver. Now, to get the free shipping, I had to buy some additional stuff, which is why I got the Philharmonics. And these we are going to touch just by the edges. In fact, I'll just put a glove on to make it easier. But we got the Philharmonics here. I love these silver coins. So they are from Austria. And the cool thing about these is they don't have the Queen on them, right? So I'm not a huge fan of Queen Elizabeth being on all of my silver coins. So, you know, Philharmonics, those are a great option. This is from 2021. I think the 2022 Philharmonics are coming out right now, which is probably why they had a sale on these. They were a really good deal. I think they were like $2 or $3 over Spot. So not bad at all. Now, one problem with the Philharmonics, they do milk Spot. So you kind of got to watch out for that. But for the most part, you know, they're pretty good condition. 1.5 euro. I love that too. They could do a 2 euro or a 3 euro coin, but they're like, you know what? We're going to do 1.5 euro. Hilarious. Speaking of the euro, you got to check this out. So I got this from Hero Bullion. And I actually got a few of these, not just this one, but we'll show this one off. It's the Knights of the Past 2021, 1 ounce, 4/9 fine silver. And this also has a euro denomination. This has got like a thing where you can fold this out and sort of set it up on display or whatever. But the COA should be in here. Yeah, look at all this. I mean, it's from the Germania Mint. This is so much for just a 1 ounce silver coin. I mean, they really went above and beyond with the packaging and all that kind of stuff here. So let's see. Specifications. 5 euro denomination. And so that would be on the reverse, I suppose. I actually don't know what is the reverse and what is the obverse of this coin. But anyway, so we have the Knights on this side. I want to say this is the obverse because I feel like this should be the obverse, right? It's got the Knights on it, looking all fly and whatnot. And then we flip it over, and I feel like this should be the reverse, but I could see them calling this the obverse because it's got like this big crest dealio in the middle. But anyway, it's the Knights of Malta. Very cool coin. This is the first coin that has come out of the Germania Mint, and they have a high premium. So these, whoops, just dropped it. These are not for stacking. These do have a high premium, but when it comes to collectibles, this is the first in the series, and as we know, the first in the series typically does the best because people will get into this series down the road and they'll be like, oh, I got to get every part of the series, right? So I got to get the first in the series, etc. And so anyway, this is going to be a winner in my opinion as far as collectibles go. So even if you don't collect silver that much, but you want to buy these to actually resell in 6 months or a year, I'm thinking you could do really good on those. So anyway, I got this from Hero Bullion. Let's see, we have the other Germania bars from Hero Bullion as well. Let's get these open. Have not taken a look at these yet. And I bought them before Black Friday. This is ridiculously hard to open. So I don't think these were on a Black Friday sale. But there we go. Check that out. These are smoking. All right. When I saw that the Germania Mint was coming out with the 10-ounce cast silver bars, I said to myself, I got to pick some of those up. And you know what? The premium was low on these. So that is exactly why I bought them. I actually got 2 of them. And these are in plastic, which is kind of crazy. You can see they got this cool little security dealio on the back. Not sure what that's all about. I have another one here. So I have a pair of the Germania Mint cast silver bars. Now, if you want to buy 10-ounce cast bars, try and get the lowest premium possible. That's what it's all about. You know, when you're stacking, you want to get that low premium silver. So these were actually one of the most reasonably priced 10-ounce silver bars on the market, which is why I bought them. And they're also beautiful. I think they'll hold their value no problem. So we got those. These Buffalo rounds were all a private party sale, and I will talk about those in a sec, but got to take another sip of coffee here first. Oh, there we go. Very nice. So yeah, I think I got 9 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, 9 Buffalo rounds. I got them for $25 an ounce. And when you're stacking silver, again, you want to get those low premiums, right? Because you can get more silver that way. So when I saw these, I picked them up. And you know what? Here's the thing. I've been looking for the good deals recently. That is kind of my strategy, you know. Let's find the best deals I can find and let's just jump on them. So that's what I would say right now. There's a lot of different products being offered. And if you have a specific product that you want to buy, but the premiums are a little crazy on it at that moment, then don't buy it. Buy something different. Buy whatever is the cheapest. And, buy legitimate, recognizable stuff. I mean, as you can see, all of the things that I bought are 1-ounce size or 10-ounce size. So it all has a purpose, right? I mean, this stuff is going to be really easy to liquidate if I want to sell it in the future. 1 ounce, no problem. 10 ounce, no problem. The collectible stuff, I mean, hey, everyone's got to make a buck here and there. And when I see a good deal, I jump on it. And these were an amazing deal. I think this could be a $100 coin next year. No joke. So anyway, what do you think about all of the stuff I've been picking up? What are you buying right now when it comes to physical silver? Are you buying similar things, the rounds, the coins, the good deals? That's what I think you got to be jumping on right now. This was a little bit different than my normal videos, you know. I thought I would just show off some of my recent pickups because I haven't done a video like that in a while, and it's kind of always fun to see what other people are buying. So anyway, I do have a lot more Black Friday sales coming in the mail. Most of them have shipped by now. We got silver, we got gold, so I'll definitely have to make another video when those come in. But anyway, I do want to say a massive thank you so much for watching this one, and I will see you all in my next one. Silver Dragons out.